We used to have 5,000 gigatons of soil carbon. But now, because we have chopped everything down, we only have 2,500 gigatons left.
Experts tell us that because of continued environmental destruction, we will create another 1,000 gigatons of emissions caused by ruined soil carbon.
Total global emissions in 2021 were 36.3 gigatons. So 1,000 gigatons of emissions from ruined soil carbon is equivalent to 25 to 30 years worth of extra emissions that Australian governments are not counting in their climate change policies.
So we need every extra kilogram of soil carbon that we can get.
From larger areas, like the Junction Road Parklands, and even from small areas, like suburban nature strips.
This nature strip had dry, sandy soil, unable to hold water well. It was cultivated with an electric hoe, and large amounts of organic matter were added.
After 10 months, much of the added organics had rotted down, creating a moist soil carbon-rich profile.
Generally, the darker the soil becomes, the more soil carbon it contains.
A wide selection of native grass tube stock from Greenlink Box Hill North were planted and are growing extremely well.
The area has also been selectively weeded, favouring introduced plant species that will help generate soil carbon, such as burr-medic and tiny vetch.
These annual legume species are healthy growing plants that are currently in flower and living alongside the native grasses. Hopefully, they will be also quietly creating mineralized soil carbon, which is a form of soil carbon that can stay in the soil for decades. In the bare patches, between these introduced and native plants, alternating patches of strawberry and white clover have been sown. These are perennial legumes, which also generate organic and possibly also mineralized soil carbon.
The same kind of approach, but on a larger scale, should be used for the Junction Road Parklands, but with the addition of many microforests as well.